Did you know that cranes are powerful flyers? During their migration, they fly with head and neck straight out and their feet and legs straight out behind them. They can be able to reach heights between 4,900 to 8,000 meters. These birds are found throughout the world except in Antarctica and South America. They spend most of their time in freshwater wetland areas like swamps. The Sarus crane is the tallest flying bird in the world, standing 152 to 156 centimeter tall with a wingspan of 240 centimeter. It has a predominantly gray plumage with a naked red head and upper neck and pale red legs. It weighs 6.8 to 7.8 kgs. There are 15 living crane species on our planet which are distributed over 5 continents. All belong to the bird order Gruiformes and the bird family Gruidae. What is the rarest crane species in the world? Standing 5 feet tall with a wingspan of more than 7 feet, the whooping crane is North America's tallest bird. It is also the rarest crane in the world. The species was once found across the entire continent, but in the 1940s, fewer than 20 individuals survived. Demersal cranes, Anthropoids virgo, stand at an average of 30 to 36 inches tall, making them the smallest species of crane.